Today we're making barbecue sloppy joes. So let's get started. For our barbecue sloppy joes, we are going to need the following: 1.5 pounds of ground beef, half an onion diced, half a red bell pepper diced, 1 to 2 jalapenos seeded and diced, salt, pepper, barbecue sauce, ketchup, beef broth, hamburger buns, and cheddar cheese. So let's get cooking. So we're going to get our ground beef cooking. So we're going to get us a pot and heat it up on a medium-high heat. Then we're going to add in our ground meat. And as always, when working with raw meat, we're going to be sure and make sure to wash our hands before and after. So what we're going to do is we're going to cook this for about 10-15 minutes till it is evenly browned. And if there's any excess oils or grease, we're going to want to drain that out. So we're going to get this cooked up and we'll be right back. Alright, so our ground beef is evenly browned, so we're going to turn this down a little bit. To this we're going to add in our half a diced minced bell pepper, our onion, half an onion, and 1 to 2 jalapenos. This is 2 jalapenos diced, but I'm only going to use probably about half to 3/4 of that. So we're going to continue cooking this till our vegetables are tender, and once they're tender, we're going to continue cooking. We'll continue adding in our ingredients. So we'll be back in a little bit. Alright, this has been cooking for about 5 minutes, and as you can see, the vegetables are nice and tender. To this, we're going to add half a teaspoon of salt and pepper. A 1/4 cup of ketchup. 1 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce, and a half a cup of beef stock. So we're going to give this a quick stir. Make sure everything gets mixed up, and then we're going to let this cook for about 10 minutes. And let the flavors come together, and we'll be right back. Alright, so this has been cooking about 15 minutes uncovered, and everything looks good and tasty. So we're going to give this a quick stir, and I'm going to toast up some buns, and then we'll be right back and we'll put this all together and have lunch. So be back shortly. Alright, so let's get this all put together. So we've got us a couple of buns which have been toasted. We're going to add us some of the sloppy joe mix. To that, we're going to top with some cheddar cheese. And we're going to serve these up with some of your favorite chips. So I'm going to do it with some barbecue chips today. So there we go. Everything's plated and ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And until next time, enjoy.